We are off to a fantastic start for 2022. The market is flying, NFTs are making millionaires, altcoins are doing double digits daily, and I'm still poor. Just kidding. If I was poor, I wouldn't have my own custom-made dinosaur now, would I? I'm here to share 6 years of experience making money in crypto. And I've done it investing long-term. I've done it scalping the big coins like BTC and ETH. I've done it with altcoin trades, putting in small amounts and making many multiples. I've done early stage deals and exciting new projects. I've even found great NFT opportunities as well. And I'm not that smart. I've just been consistent and tried to learn something new every single day. If I can do it, so can you. So give me 5 minutes, go to 1.5x speed if you need to, and you're going to be making smarter decisions with your crypto portfolio. If becoming rich faster sounds good to you, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be putting up a lot of videos, and these can be very time sensitive, so you don't want to miss them. Let's start with the BTC chart on the weekly, and we're going to mark out some key levels because look, we had our top here at 66K. So hit a top here, came back down, had one final rally, and then that's the final top, the all-time high of the crypto market. Now we're going to take a look at the market structure. We have our first high there. We have our first major low here. You could also argue that's a low, but we'll go here. Then we have a new high here, new low here, high there, then a new low here. And what's about to happen now is we may break market structure for the first time in a long time. And to break market structure, we need this key level over here. And arguably, we had a small break over here because price broke down below these levels, came back up, and then got above this big breakdown level where we had a harsh rejection. So on the high time frame, you can also mark out these two levels here. If you're not day trading, these are the levels you want to pay the most attention to. And then this level here, while not significant for the market structure, is very significant as a key support. If you take a look, this is one of our most important levels with a lot of price action happening there. Now we're going to zoom into the daily, and we have a few more details so we can add some levels. This level here is pretty significant because again, you can see that harsh rejection coming down. This, perhaps we can alter it to take it up a little bit to 21.3K if we wanted to, or we can just leave it there at 21K. And when you're looking for opportunities to make money in the market, a really nice thing to look for is big gaps like this. Big gaps like this usually give way for big, heavy price movements, a lot of momentum, and a lot of opportunity to make money. And it's not just on the low time frames. You can do this on the high time frames as well. If you're on the weekly right now, and we bring in the moving averages as well, there's actually a fantastic opportunity for someone who is bullish on the market and wants to long, even though we're at resistance. You can open a position here. You can set your invalidation for, say, this crossover over here of moving averages. So if we get below this level, then the crossover isn't happening and we think the trend's going to keep going down. And you set the upside target to, let's say, the moving average over here. That's the 100-week moving average. So that's a really big move there. Free risk to reward ratio, a decent place to take profit, and a really nice invalidation point. We can even reduce the aggressiveness of the trade down to about 1.6. And we've got a much safer trade here with the key resistance at 30K. Makes sense on a much higher time frame, but most people aren't trading like that. I personally do not trade like that. I prefer to set my levels on the daily over here, so I use the daily chart, and then I go down to the 4-hour and the 1-hour to really nail my entries. So what I'm going to be looking for is big key breaks of this level on the 4-hour and the 1-hour. And if I didn't care about my audience, the best thing I could possibly do right now is just be bullish. Because at the end of the day, the weekly's bullish, the high time frame's bullish. If I'm just bullish right now and the price goes up, great, everybody loves me, I look like a genius. If I'm also bullish, people are happy because everyone likes bulls. But I'm not trying to be right, I'm not trying to get clout, I'm just here to trade and make money trading. Okay, now here's some alpha for you. I'm going to be looking for altcoin trades very soon. Definitely missed some opportunities already, but I'm happy to come in late and make money. I'm never trying to be the first one or the last one to do anything. So once we get over here above this 25K level, during this run here, there's actually going to be so many altcoin opportunities because the market's already getting heated up. Some NFTs are going wild. Some altcoins are doing double digits every single day right now, sometimes even triple digits. So those opportunities really are coming back. There's a lot of volume in the market as well. For this, Ethereum is going to be really good to pay attention to. Now, Ethereum is a great leading indicator for when the altcoin market is going to really start heating up. you can see key resistance over here at 1650. And then again, look, we're setting these key levels based on the overall structure. Every time you see a harsh rejection over here, other data points to back it, you see key levels. Now, while these moves seem a little bit smaller than what you can see on altcoins, for example, this is 8%. Now, 8%, that's fantastic. You can make good money on it, especially if you understand position sizing. For example, if you're using a platform like Phemex where you can use up to 100x leverage, that can help you size your positions and reduce your risk. I know that sounds crazy, leverage reducing your risk, but I did a video on this the other day and you can see a full tutorial on risk-adjusted position sizing and how to mitigate counterparty risk with leverage. So very similar to Bitcoin, we've got a great breakout play from here to here and an even better one from 17K to just under 2K. Then Valhalla, or the Holy Grail level for Ethereum, is going to be above this 2K level. After that, if we swap over to the weekly, you can see the next key structural high is actually all the way up here at 3,500. And the next key level I'll be watching is about 2,500 over here, perfectly synced up with the 100-week moving average. If you want me to start doing more altcoin videos, not just BTC and Ethereum, let me know and I'll see what I can do. Whether that's more videos or just posting them in my newsletter, we'll see. Either way, subscribe and thank you for watching.